G'day guys, it's Jack. I better take Tony's hat off. I give him too many shout outs. Hey, what do you think? Yeah, off with the hat. Now I'm out doing an RC vid today. I'll just flip the camera over and I'm going to give a couple of shout outs while I'm at it. I've got the, this is the HSP Ryder that I got last year. It was pretty cheap. I think I paid about $220 for it. Now this is not a crawler. So you can, this takes also, it's a brush system, but it takes 3S, but I'm not going to run 3S, I'm going to run 2S. But I'll try to keep this introduction short. I just want to give a shout out to the Northwest crew down there in the UK. Good old Tibor and Gaz. Gaz FPV, top bloke. On the top here, I've got a couple more stickers. There's good old Gaz there. Larry, don't know what's happened to him, and my good mate here, Brent from Adventure Time RC. And of course, my RCs wouldn't be complete if I don't have a CCXRC sticker. I think nearly all my RCs except my GV range have got a CCXRC sticker. Tony, don't know why I advertise you that much, brother. You're a long time friend of mine anyway. Denali Undergrounds, who donated the Traxxas TRX6. I don't hear from him anymore. And there's Gaz again down here. Got two of your stickers on there, Gaz. And Mr. Conspiracy's there, Tony from CCXRC. So I'll give this a bit of a run. Good little rig. It's built pretty well. I'll try to take it over the rocks on the bluestone busted up rocks out there and just give it a little run. But I'll see how I go. And anyway guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of thing, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, and I'll see you guys later.